Drawing circles in Photoshop is a simple task. Start by selecting the circle in the Shape Tool panel in the Tools bar. Usually the Shape Tool icon is a rectangle, but it could be a number of other shapes as well, depending on which one you used last. If you do not have a Shape Tool icon in your toolbar, go to Edit, Toolbar, and click on Restore Defaults. Now select the Ellipse tool from the Shapes flyout. Next, draw an oval any size you want. If you want a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key while you draw the oval. Once you draw the circle, go to the stroke icon at the top and select the color you want. Next, choose the size. And lastly, pick the type of outline you want. If you decide you want to fill your circle with a color, simply select Fill and choose the color. You have a few options here. You can delete the fill with this icon, add a gradient with this one, and select a texture with this one. Several textures are already in Photoshop, and by clicking the gear icon, you can import as many textures as you like. If you want a specific width and height, you can type in the numbers right here. All of these options are available in the Properties panel as well, which is accessible by clicking Window, Properties. You can easily change the size of the circle as well as move it around. These properties and functions work in most of the other shapes as well. As with all Photoshop quickies, it's best to pause this video as you work through the steps.